What's going on, everybody? My name is Graham Nation, and today we're celebrating 25 years of sexy hair with the sexiest collab ever. I'll be taking you through some of Christina Aguilera's most iconic looks, and today we're gonna do her high braided ponytail. Let's get started. I applied Big Blow Dry Volumizing Gel from the mid-lengths to the ends for a crunch-free shine finish and thermal protectant. Subdivide the hair for control. Blow dry each section over-directing to the high point of the head. Use a flat iron to add smoothness. To create that satin shine base for the ponytail, I applied Big Altitude Blow Dry Mousse directly onto the root area. Brush the hair smooth to the top of the crown and secure the ponytail with a bungee for maximum hold. Apply the mousse directly onto your boar bristle brush to smooth and distribute the product at the same time. Secure the top section to the previously created ponytail with a bungee. Spray your detailing brush with Spray and Play Harder to smooth flyaways. To create the braid, I used Polished Up for control and shine. Leave a section of the ponytail out and wrap around the base of the braid later. Add pre-stretch braiding hair to create that extra length midway down the braid. Spray the previously isolated section with Spray and Play Harder and wrap around the braid. Apply Big Altitude Blow Dry Mousse to the braid and finish with Spray and Play Harder.